Hello from Slovenia again. I have something really exciting to share and also a little scary for me to even say it out loud. So, I'm coming to United States for my very first exhibition, Fluidity in New Hope at the Bucks County Playhouse from 16th to 16th, 17th, 18th of April this year. You will be able to see my paintings in real life, and I'll be there too, so we can actually meet, not just through a screen. And it's completely free, so if you are nearby, just come by, say hi, or just enjoy the art. And I'm also doing a small workshop in Newtown on April 15th, so the day before the exhibition, where we will paint together and you can create your own piece. So yeah, if you feel like joining me in real life for a change, I would really, really love to meet you. Today I'm working with a double dip technique. Again, I really love this technique to create some diptych to paintings that belong together, and this is a really good way to do it. So I start with a dark base, and then I add just simple shapes, almost like small flowers. Before that, I did some green and pearl white. I used olive green light and green earth by Pebeo for the green, and my pearl white mixture recipe is in the description box too. And I had some pyrrole red, azo yellow medium, and permanent red violet for the flowers. So nothing too complicated, because in this technique simplicity actually works better, I will say. I repeat the same idea on both canvases, not perfectly, but kind of close enough. And this is where it gets interesting, because it's about what happens when two wet canvases met. So this part is really so satisfying for me. The whole process, I like this. And Moira was saying that she wants something. So when you bring those two canvases together and pressing just enough to create contact across the surface, and a suction effect starts to form between the layers of paint, and the suction is what pulls, stretches, and distorts the pattern. It's subtle, but completely changed the result, from little dots and just stripes, flower bloom. You know, it's just such an amazing thing what only that suction creates. And this is the beauty of this technique. You are not creating just a pattern, you are creating an interaction almost. So yeah, I'm excited, and I'm doing voiceover because I don't know, lately just want to be in silence in my studio and then do voiceover, because I think that I can focus more on what I'm doing, not as much on what I'm talking. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you do though, so please subscribe, like, write me a comment, hype if you have something, and thanks for being here. Enjoy the rest of the video. So here they are dry, and I really love them. They are beautiful duo. And I was thinking, you know, I can do even more of them to have kind of a bigger painting. So yeah, they dried beautifully. I like this texture on the black too that you get with this technique. It's kind of a natural, or how can I say. So have a nice day and see you hopefully tomorrow. Bye.